Hello everyone, now I'm with Sofirn new flashlight. It is the SP31 V3. Okay, it is the upgrade from the version 2. This one use SST40 in a TIR lens, 6500K, 2 switch, side switch and tail switch here. Okay, and the battery inside 1X650 battery. For the tail cap switch, it's a tactical switch. Okay. USB-C charging port. For the turbo mode, it's about 2000 lumens, and I have tried it. It lasts about 2 minutes, and then it stepped down to about high mode. Okay, according to the manual, it says 2000 lumens, and then it lasts about 5 minutes, and then step down to about 800 lumens. Actually, I think it's about 2 minutes. Okay, and then it lasts, and then it stepped down to about high about 900 lumens, and it lasts about 2 hours 10 minutes. Medium 300 lumens, it's about 5 hours 50 minutes. Low 15 lumens about 120 hours, and then moonlight just about 1 lumen 550 hours. Okay, for the max throw of this flashlight is about 269 meters. Okay, I did not have the manual, sorry, mine is a prototype. Okay, 1 meter impact resistant and IP68. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, the tail switch here, you can do the half press like this. Okay, if you want to turn it on, just press full press here like this. And for the side switch, 1 click to adjust the brightness. This is low, medium, high, turbo. Low, medium, high, turbo. Okay, if you want to access strobe, press and hold. When you get in strobe, okay, this seems to be a new UI. 1 click. Now to go to SOS, 1 click, we'll go to beacon. 1 click, we'll go back to here, strobe. Okay, you have to press and hold to go back to constant brightness. Here, like this. Okay. To access moon mode, press and hold the side switch, and then press full press the tail cap switch here. Now you can get the moon mode. Okay, very easy to use, and it's really powerful. I like it. Okay, let's walk around and see some beam shots. Okay everyone, now I'm at the basketball court. This is the low mode. Okay, low mode. I think this mode, you can use it for walking around. I can see the basketball goal at the other side, but not quite clear. Okay, let's go to medium. Okay, here medium is quite powerful. Wow, see that? Medium is good for walking around. Okay, really powerful, and you can even use medium for cycling. Okay, this is very powerful. Let's go to the house there. You see that? Wow, medium is really good. It's quite bright. Okay, this is very good. Okay, let's go to high here. Wow, high is very bright. See that? And the beam is good. It's combination of throw and flood. Okay, here, that's the basketball goal there. See that? Really bright for the high mode. Okay, let's go to turbo. Okay, here. Wow. Okay, turbo is really bright. I have tried turbo for about 5 minutes. Actually, it seems to last about more than 1 minute, maybe about 2 minutes, and then it stepped down to about high. Okay, and then it stay at high for quite long. Okay, good constant brightness on the high mode. Okay, I really like it. Okay, this is turbo. Let me show you strobe. Here, this is strobe. Okay, another click will go to SOS here, and another click will go to beacon. Okay, here it's a new UI. Okay, in the past you have to maybe double click, 3 clicks, something like that. Okay, 1 click back. Okay, go to strobe. If you want to exit blink modes, you have to press and hold here. Okay, this is go back to turbo. Okay, really bright. I love it. Okay, very good beam, really good beam. Okay, wow. Okay, overall, I think this is a good flashlight. Okay, it has a really powerful beam, and its beam profile is good. Okay, things for improvement. I think for the tail switch, if it possible, if I do double tap, if possible, I need strobe. Okay, when I do the double tap, but for this one, nothing. Okay, just like the former version. Okay, but it's more powerful. Okay, here is the turbo. Now it's stepping down. I think it's quite warm at the head, but not too hot to hold. Okay, here the temperature here is about 30 degrees Celsius. Now it's stepping down. Okay, here actually it cannot last about 5 minutes as in the manual. It's maybe about 2 minutes. Okay, and then it step down to about high. Okay, but high is still very bright. I think it stepped down already. Okay, let me do one click. It will go back to high mode. Okay. Oh, if you go to low, sorry. This is okay, let me check again. Low, medium, high here. Okay, here. It stepped down to about high mode. Okay. This is high mode. Okay. Okay, here turbo, very bright. Okay, I really love it. I think it's a good self-defense flashlight. Okay, turbo is really bright and it can memorize turbo. Okay, in my opinion, I recommend this one. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.